Hi everybody, it's Alex. I know a lot of you have questions about your final inventory being due, so I wanted to make a little tutorial to help you kind of get through that and how to navigate it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up Sakai and go to our 190 site. Once you get there, you're going to click on Assignments and you're going to scroll down to Leadership Inventory. Once you're in inventory, there'll be two tabs, so you're going to want to click on both of them and make sure to look through them. One of them is a question and answer tab, and that'll help answer most of the questions that you have on the assignment. Obviously, if you have more questions, feel free to ask your peer leader. The next one is going to be the inventory doc, where you can find the actual outcomes and requirements. Something important to keep in mind is that the way that the outcomes are shown in this doc is the way you want to hand them in. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of my own inventory. So I'm going to have more outcomes than y'all, but if you take a look at my layout, this is how yours should look. So as you can see, each outcome is broken into 4 sections. So the outcome itself, the target class or classes, additional experience, and then descriptive notes regarding learning and practice. So it's going to be really important that you have all these boxes full for each outcome. The additional experience does not have to be from college, so please don't worry about that. So as you can see, I just zoomed in to see evidence 1. That's because after you write an outcome, that's what you're going to put below it, and then you're going to put your evidence at the bottom to label. Before I show you that, I just want to highlight that there are 5 categories of outcomes. You don't have to have one from every category, but just be aware that when you're putting them in your docs, they are split up into categories. It'll make it easier as you go along in the minor and add more outcomes. So here we are at my evidence. So as you can see, this is evidence number 1, and my picture is a picture of a planner with some writing utensils. My next one is of my peer leader from 190. So as you can see, as I scroll down, you're going to see some handouts that y'all have gotten in class. These are perfect things to upload as evidence. If your prior knowledge is from high school, it's definitely okay to add a picture of that thing, whether it be an event or a project that you did. Just make sure that you are logging evidence. And then just some reminders that this is due May 1st on Sakai. You will need 20 outcomes and 10 pieces of evidence. And if you have any questions for me, definitely feel free to reach out, but also use your peer leaders as mentors because that's what we're here for. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and see you soon.